Today we have the 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This vehicle has done just under 52,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. On our screen we can access our vehicle settings, smartphone integration, media, radio,
extended gifting range. You'll discover the right bottle for every occasion.
And navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 camera with parking sensors. Just below is our AC with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof.